What would it feel like to have $10,000 saved up right now? How much more secure would you feel if you had that cushion, especially in times of uncertainty? In this video, I'll show you 8 proven methods that will help you reach your first $10,000 savings quickly. These methods are simple, actionable, and will work whether you're just starting out or already on your savings journey. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start growing your wealth, keep watching. Let's dive into these methods that will get you to your savings goal faster than you think. Method 1. Break down your $10,000 goal into smaller chunks. The first method is to break down your $10,000 goal into smaller, manageable chunks. Instead of thinking of it as one giant number, split it up into monthly goals. For example, if you aim to save $10,000 in 1 year, that comes out to $833 per month. Breaking it down like this makes it feel more achievable and less overwhelming. You can even take a step further and aim for $385 every 2 weeks, which is the equivalent of $833 a month if you get paid bi-weekly. Once you break down your goal, it will become easier to track your progress. You can also automate the process. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after each paycheck. This method makes it easy to stay on track without having to think about it every month. By regularly saving small amounts, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can reach your $10,000 goal. Method 2. Track your income and expenses. The second method is to track your income and expenses consistently. To build your savings, it's crucial to understand where your money is going each month. If you're not already tracking your expenses, now is the time to start. Use a budget app or a simple spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. Knowing exactly how much you earn and where your money is going will help you identify areas to cut back. This is key because the more you understand your finances, the better you can prioritize saving. You'd be surprised how much money you're spending on small, recurring expenses that add up over time. Tracking your spending helps you make smarter decisions and free up more money to save. As you track your expenses, you can start to set boundaries for things like entertainment or eating out, which will help you allocate more funds toward your savings goal. Tracking helps ensure that you're not just working harder to earn money, but also working smarter to save it effectively. Method 3. Find your cushion. Method 3 involves finding your cushion, the money left over after covering all your essential expenses. To discover this cushion, you need to create a detailed, written monthly budget. Begin by calculating your monthly income and subtracting all of your mandatory expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. The money that's left over is your cushion, and that's what you'll use to start building your $10,000 savings. If your cushion isn't enough to reach your savings goal, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to boost that cushion. Start by looking at non-essential spending that you can cut back on. That might mean cooking at home more often instead of dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, or cutting back on impulse purchases. Once you identify where you can save, you'll start seeing more room in your budget for your savings. This is a critical method for staying on track toward your $10,000 goal without feeling stretched too thin. Method 4. Lower your expenses. Method 4 is about lowering your expenses to increase your savings potential. If your cushion is too small, consider cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Many people's largest costs are their housing, transportation, and food, so these are areas to focus on first. Could you move to a more affordable apartment, downgrade your car, or cut down on expensive habits like dining out or shopping? Even small changes can add up to significant savings. For example, switching to a more affordable phone plan, reducing energy usage at home, or buying generic brands at the store could all help you save more. By eliminating unnecessary costs, you'll have more money to funnel into your savings account. This method is all about making sacrifices in the short term to reach your long-term goal. The more you lower your monthly expenses, the easier it will be to save consistently without feeling deprived. Method 5. Increase your income. Next up is Method 5. Increasing your income. This is a great way to reach your savings goal faster. If you don't have enough cushion to save $833 a month or $385 every 2 weeks, you can boost your income by taking on a side hustle or working extra hours. There are plenty of ways to increase your income, from freelancing to driving for rideshare services to starting a small business. Consider using your skills or hobbies to generate additional cash. Whether you're selling handmade products online or offering services like tutoring, a side hustle can help you make that extra money you need to reach your $10,000 savings target faster. Don't forget about overtime opportunities at your current job, or look into remote work options that allow you to earn from home. Remember, the more you boost your income, the faster you can reach your financial goals. This method involves putting in the effort and time to earn more so you can save more. Method 6. Pay yourself first. Method 6 is about paying yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings before you pay any bills or expenses. When you automate your savings, you ensure that money is transferred directly from your checking account to your savings account every month. It's important to treat your savings as the first expense, not the last. By doing this, you take the decision-making out of it and automatically put money away for your future before you can spend it on anything else. You'll be surprised at how much easier it is to save when you automate the process and commit to paying yourself first. When you pay yourself first, you're taking a proactive approach to your finances. This method ensures that you're constantly building your wealth, no matter how your other expenses fluctuate throughout the month. It also helps you get into the habit of saving without second-guessing yourself each time. Method 7. Use high-yield savings accounts or investments. Method 7 is to use high-yield savings accounts or low-risk investments. When you're saving, you want to make sure your money is working for you, not just sitting idle. Putting your savings into a high-yield savings account is a smart move, as these accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. If you're feeling confident, you can also consider investing in low-risk index funds. These funds typically have a solid return over time and are a good choice for long-term savings. Even if you don't have a large amount to start with, investing consistently over time can lead to significant financial growth. Both of these options will allow your money to grow passively while you focus on your goal. A high-yield savings account provides safety and accessibility, while investing can give you the opportunity for higher returns. Choose the option that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance, and start growing your money faster. Method 8. Stay consistent and keep track. Finally, Method 8. Stay consistent and keep track of your progress. Consistency is key to achieving your financial goals, and tracking your progress ensures you're on the right path. It's easy to get distracted or discouraged, but maintaining consistency in your savings habits will lead to success. Use apps or spreadsheets to track your savings progress. This helps you stay accountable and motivated as you see the growth over time. If you've set a goal to save $833 per month or $385 every 2 weeks, check in regularly to see how you're doing and adjust if necessary. Consistency helps you build a strong financial foundation, and once you develop the habit of saving, it will feel second nature. So, no matter how small the steps, keep moving forward and stay disciplined in your savings plan. Your $10,000 goal is within reach if you remain consistent. And there you have it, 8 proven methods to help you reach your first $10,000 savings. Whether you're looking to boost your income, cut your expenses, or automate your savings, these methods will set you up for success. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to building wealth, and with these strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and wealth building. Also, drop a comment below with your favorite method from today's video. See you in the next video.